how to find active sessions in WebFOCUS. So currently I'm logged in as an administrator on my system, and the easiest way to determine which sessions are currently active on the server is if you go to your administrative console. So click on here, go to the administrative console, and in here you got a diagnostic session, and there you can see whatever is going on the server. So easiest way is if you go into the session monitor, you're going to see there's one session currently active where user admin is logged on to the system. So if I want to see all the active sessions, let's just go to a different browser and log on to the system using a different user. So let's use user Patrick. So we got a second session in a different browser. So going back at the administrative level, refresh the session, you're going to see here there's a second user logged on to the system. I can easily get some more details on that user. So turn on the logging in here. And just continue to work as user Patrick. Moving back to the administrative view of the system, refresh it. I'm going to be able to see what's going on in here. So click on the eye here. You're going to see all the communication going on the system. So I can see all the sessions and all the active connections on that system. So that's the easy way to figure out if there's already a session active for a certain user. Just close the window in here, and we're going to see all the sessions in here. So let's emulate another user or another session actually. So open another browser window in here. We're going to start a private window. It's going to allow us to run a second session in the same browser. So we're going to go to the login page. We're going to log in here as well using Patrick. So we logged on to the system. Going to see we've got 2 active sessions now on that system. So that's going to be a way to determine active sessions on a WebFOCUS system.